Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and gathering credentials. This saves time during pairing. First, plug the primary node into your modem and power it up. Make sure you have admin login, SSID, and password ready on your phone. Once the firmware is updated on every device, launch the vendor app or web setup and create the main network name. You should enable 4 GHz provisioning if devices require it. Set a central location for the primary node, so subsequent nodes can see it during the onboarding process. Once the primary network is live, add satellites one at a time so you can confirm connectivity. You should place the next node 1 or 2 rooms away, avoiding thick walls and interference from microwaves or Bluetooth. Use the vendor app to pair, follow on-screen steps, and wait for stabilization before adding the next device. Make sure to choose wired or wireless backhaul based on Ethernet availability. A wired backhaul improves throughput. Then set SSID, security mode, guest access, and Co-S rules to prioritize critical devices. You finish by validating coverage. Run speed tests and check mesh health from the app to identify weak spots. Once done, adjust node positions and heights until you get consistent signal bars and acceptable latency. Make sure automatic channel selection and firmware auto updates are enabled to maintain performance. If a device needs a stable address, reserve its DHCP lease or assign a static IP. If something goes wrong, try rebooting the node, repairing in the app, and only reset to factory when re-onboarding is necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.